Git is a popular version control system that is widely used for software development. It enables developers to collaborate on code and track changes to it over time. At its core, Git works by creating a repository or a central database of code files and their changes, which is stored locally on the developer's machine. When a developer makes changes to the code, Git tracks these changes by creating a new commit that records the differences between the current code and the previous version. Developers can then share their changes with others by pushing them to a remote repository, where they can be reviewed and merged with the main code base. Git uses branches to enable multiple developers to work on different versions of the code simultaneously and pull requests to facilitate code reviews and merge requests. Git's distributed architecture allows developers to work offline and makes it easier to recover from errors or data loss. It also supports collaboration among distributed teams, enabling developers to contribute to a project from different locations and time zones. Overall, Git provides a powerful and flexible system for managing code changes and version control, which is critical to modern software development workflows.